Thank you so much for joining us on a special 7-part series brought to you by the Association of Indian Football Coaches. 7-part series isliye because we're going into the minds of 7 of the finest coaches who have, of course, served Indian football for so long and have been so successful in what they've done. हमने जो शुरुआत करी थी वो करी थी हमने with, of course, with former India coach and, of course, Dempo Sports Club coach Armando Colasso. अगर आप लोगों ने वो एपिसोड देखा नहीं है, then do go on AIFC's Facebook page and make sure you watch that episode. But आज we are talking to someone, another of those, how do I say it, stalwarts of Indian football. More than 20 years as a player, more than 20 years as a coach, and he still continues to keep giving back to Indian football. Former India coach, former India captain, and one of the most respected coaches and players in Indian football, Mr. Shabir Ali, is joining us from Hyderabad. Sir, बड़े दिन बाद मैं क्या हैदराबाद की तो मैं बात करूंगा, लेकिन चेन्नई में हम लोग जी स्पोर्ट्स में संतोष ट्रॉफी, मैं सबको बता दूं कि मैं पहली बार जब कैमरे के सामने आया था तो मेरे साथ जो मेरे एक्सपर्ट थे वो शबीर सर ही थे, और मेरे को तो कैमरे को देख के पसीने निकल रहे थे क्योंकि पहली बार ही कर रहा था सर, और आप समझ गए थे। पर शबीर सर आपने बड़े आराम से बातें करी और मेरे को सेट किया। सर, वेरी गुड टू सी यू, होप यू बीन गुड।
Yeah, I also enjoyed that time and thank you, and very happy to be with AIFC. Really, I'm happy and it's good that you are there.
Thank you, sir. Sir, I'll start with something very simple. And given that all the people who are watching this, all the people who are on this, we love football. I mean, everyone has different reasons for loving football. What does football mean to you, sir? As someone who is so celebrated in this country, not only as a player, but as a coach as well, what does it mean to you?
It's everything for me. It was nothing when I started. In the beginning, as you know, in our time in Hyderabad, there was a saying, पढ़ेंगे, लिखेंगे, होएंगे नवाब, खेलेंगे, कूदेंगे, होएंगे स्टार. So in my case, it was entirely different. That time also everybody was against. They were not allowing me to go out and all. But when they saw me that I am doing well in the non-affiliated tournament in my team, Abbas Union Football Club, we have a very good, very small ground near our house. All my family members, father, mother, brother, sister, all supported. Then now my family, wife, children have supported me. What I am today is just because of football. When I started, I never thought. But from the beginning, whatever I do, I am serious, and by His grace. And even another thing, most of the players in India, they have got some relatives, they are playing football. But in my case, nobody was there. I just started. My two elder brothers were also started, but they gave up. But I continue. And what I am today is just because of football, and football is everything. And with you also today with AIFC, because of football only I am here.
Absolutely, sir. But आपने एक बड़ी अच्छी बात बोली कि परिवार का सपोर्ट होना बहुत जरूरी है। अगर परिवार का सपोर्ट होगा तो जो आदमी यहाँ पहुंच सकता है वो अलग लेवल पे जा सकता है।
बिल्कुल. Because of that I am there. That's what I said in the beginning. They were against. They were not allowing me to go. After that they supported. And it was a very big decision for me to go from here to Bombay to play, then from there to Calcutta and all. The family supported. And another big decision, when I established everything in Bombay, I went to Calcutta. Another one in Calcutta, I established, I had house, my family was there. Then all of a sudden I came to Goa. So really my wife, my children, they supported me. Before that, father, mother, sister and all. And with their support only, I achieved so many things.
सर, आपका आपके करियर के बारे में पढ़े हैं और ऑफ कोर्स जो आपने क्या-क्या किया है, एंड द अमाउंट यू मूव्ड अराउंड ऑल ओवर द कंट्री, मतलब अगर किसी ने फ्रॉम लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ, नॉर्थ एंड साउथ अगर किसी ने किया तो वो आप हैं। तो पहले तो सर आपके पैर में तिल है क्या जो आप इतना मूव किए हैं?
बस जिधर अपॉर्चुनिटी आई और सोच लिए। पहले तो सोचे नहीं थे आई लीव हैदराबाद. Then I went to Bombay, established everything, house, good job in Tata and all. And I got India color also from there, represented Maharashtra and all. So then I shifted to Calcutta just to see how Calcutta is. With Calcutta really is something different. Even in Calcutta, I was settled with my family and other things and all. So in spite of, maybe we'll come afterwards, Mohammed Mohammedan become a champion club of India in my first year of coaching. They didn't keep me and all. So I was coaching from after 95, 96 with the Indian team, then Salgaonkar offered me. So I just shifted there. It was a very big decision because taken leave from the government and my children were small and we were in Calcutta. And of course, for me, no problem, but for them, little problem was there. But in the end, it was okay. It was a good decision also.
सर आपने आपने मोहम्मडन की बात करी तो मैं मोहम्मडन से ही शुरू करूंगा क्योंकि एक तो ये एक ऐसा क्लब है जिसके सपोर्टर चाहे आपको स्टेडियम में ना देखें लेकिन आपको पता है पूरे देश भर में इसके सबसे ज्यादा सपोर्टर हैं इस क्लब के। तो एक वैसा क्लब है जहां एक्सपेक्टेशन इतना ज्यादा और फिर एक वो सीजन आया जहां आपने उनको चैंपियन बनाया। व्हाट वाज दैट सीजन लाइक सर? बिकॉज एक होता है कि हम जा रहे हैं खेलने फिर बीच में सीजन के पता चलता है कि हम शायद जीत सकते हैं तो एक्सपेक्टेशन बदलता है सडनली। तो वो कैसा था सर वो सीजन?
और एक चीज मोहम्मडन जो तो आप बोले सपोर्टर्स के बारे में, they are the supporter in Calcutta who comes for all the match, not like East Bengal, Mohun Bagan, because if they lose some point, they don't come. When we were the player, all of a sudden, 7-8 players came to Mohammedan in 80 to 85. That was extraordinary years for Mohammedan. We won almost all the trophies in my captaincy, won so many things and all. Before that, they were little low. But myself, Bhaskar, East Bengal didn't release what we came because of our friend and other things. So it really good when we were playing with Mohammedan. We won all the trophies. Before that, we were not in picture. After that, even East Bengal, Mohun Bagan, we beat them. They were started giving respect to us and all. And when I became the coach, it was my first year of coaching in 90. Nobody thought we'll do that well. It is just because of team spirit and other things. Some good upcoming players were there, like Rahmat, Mushtaq, Godfrey, Akhil, Khadir. Even the foreigners, Christopher, Chibu, they were not in the picture, but they established. We go on winning and we establish as a champion club of India. And you know, in some clubs, the politics and other things, no complaint, nothing. And it's not that I am unhappy or something. But in the next year, they didn't give. But it was really a very big achievement. Even when I was the captain in 83, 84, we won Federation, we won so many trophies, 9 trophies. And 81, when Moidul was the captain, Mohammedan won the league, Ahmedabad was the captain, we won the DCM also. So 82, 85, it was good. Then again 90, it was really extraordinary. Then my second inning also there with Mohammedan, 2008 to 2010. It was up and down, you can see. We beat some good teams in Calcutta, East Bengal, Mohun Bagan, we qualified. But again, we
सर बट जब से ओके तो मैं अगर आपको उस साल पे ले जाऊं वापस कि आप कोच आ रहे हैं एंड यू आर बिकमिंग द कोच एज अ कोच, आपकी क्या डिमांड्स थी फ्रॉम द मैनेजमेंट की चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए ये कुछ चीजें मुझे चाहिए, चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए नहीं तो इसके बिना काम करना मुश्किल होगा?
To be frank with you, in most of the club, I didn't ask much. Because, you know, some of the coaches, I want this player, I want that player, this facility, that facilities and all. Even you know very well what the facilities were in Goa when you was also there for a year. So in the beginning, we were not having the ground also.
Yeah.
And most of the club I joined, I was not knowing much about the club as well as don't know about the management also. So basic thing, okay, no interference and other things, selection will be mine. Of course, in Mohammedan, little bit because of the supporters and other things, little bit not that much. But whatever I wanted, and by his grace, I gave the result and established Mohammedan Sporting in Calcutta in 1990 as well as from 2008 to 2010. But the problem with Calcutta, supporters and other things, but it is good also they support with them, really it is fantastic.
तो सर आपकी फिलॉसफी क्या थी उस साल? आपका व्हाट वाज द काइंड ऑफ फॉर्मेशंस यू वर पुटिंग आउट? बिकॉज़ अक्सर क्या कहते हैं कि फॉर्मेशन पकड़ लो लेकिन फॉर्मेशन तभी बनता है जिस हिसाब से प्लेयर आपके पास है, फिर आप फॉर्मेशन बनाते हो। तो अगर उस सीजन की बात करें, आपका स्टाइल क्या था? हाउ वुड यू अप्रोच अ गेम?
See, to formation is the best, to me is the best formation. When we go in attack, I want more plays. When we come back, we want a more plays. See, that becomes according to the situation. See the opponent, how the opponent is playing. what is the strong point and weak point. I still remember one thing of Muhammad Hussain, who was the coach who has taken me to Bombay. He was assistant to Mr. Rahim. Maharashtra and Karnataka was playing. One left back was going all along in the attack. So he told goalkeeper and others, whenever you get the ball, you just put in that area. And with that, we score 4 goals. And what I learned from there, I used to put that. Even I lost my cutting once. Navi had mentioned in the Telegraph, the 3-2 system is started by Shabir in India. Even this system, I achieved a lot. Even Augustine of Salgaonkar, he was a striker. I put him as a 5th back right out. In the end, he was playing in the 4 backs also. And Norbert Gonsalves, who is completed A license, he was my assistant. He always used to tell Shabir 3-5-2, 3-5-2. So it's different. Players make the system, players break the system.
तो आपको तो खुशी होती होगी कि आजकल यूरोपियन फुटबॉल में इतना 3-5-2 देखने को मिलता है हमें कि वो 3 सेंटर बैक्स में रहते हैं और जो 2 विंग वाले हैं वो आगे भी काम करते हैं, फिर पीछे 5 इन डिफेंस भी बन जाते हैं.
90, this was the same system most of the team adopted in Germany when I went there for the license in 90. So I learned from there. It put more effective in Fearless when one Vashwat from Jamshedpur, he was there. Left back crossing and he went and scored a goal in Calcutta League. I don't know which was the team and all. So it has to change. In Salgaonkar also we success most of the time, and this system in Salgaonkar, with 2-3 days practice I played, and that too against Kochi FC. And Kochi FC before that they didn't lose to any team in India, East Bengal, Mohun JCT and all. Bruno scored a goal and another scored by the foreigner. What game they played. Salgaonkar, this all players they understand, and this system was very effective. Even in other team also, Mohammedan, Fearless and others. Even you have to change the system sometime. It was 4-4-2, something like that. But in Bardolai, Kishanu was extraordinary in East Bengal. So I told Annappa Kumar here with Kishanu only. So he's saying, sir, it will become 5-6 back. I said, no problem. We'll see. Kishanu got a red card and Annappa Kumar became a man of the match. And with the Akhil cross, Christopher scored a goal, we won and all. But sometimes it was not effective also, but most of the time I succeed with this formation. And again I am telling, it is the player who make it or break it. It is up to them only. I am just a bandmaster from outside.
I agree, sir. अगर आप बैंड मास्टर हो, लेकिन बैंड मास्टर ने जो धुन असाइन करी है, that being the tactics, और जब वो थोड़ा सक्सेसफुल होता है, it doesn't mean it leads to a goal or something. अगर आपने ऑपोजिशन को नलिफाई कर दिया थोड़ा सा, तो कितनी खुशी मिलती है इसे अंदर से कि ये मेरा काम कर गया है.
बहुत मिली, और कोई समझे नहीं थे वैसे ऐसे रिजल्ट हुए मेरे लिए. I am not boosting myself, and by His grace, wherever I went, I did something and all. Take the case of Mahindra, different system and all. When I joined, before that 3 years, they didn't beat Air India. Same was the case with Salgaonkar, they didn't beat Churchill and all. So I put my system, I put my discipline and other things, whatever you can say, philosophy. So by His grace, I succeed. And in some of the club, they don't have the basic thing also, ground and other things. In that also I manage. For one example, Fearless, of course, a department team, but we don't have the tracksuit and other things. It is just off the ground. So I used to tell them, when you go to the ground, you go with one jersey so that the players, others will come to know Fearless. And while coming, we'll put the other jersey. Even in Salgaonkar also, this thing I told to Birito and Rupert Fernandez, at least give one jersey for the practice so that everybody will come to know. There's so many things I just put. I feel very happy.
Fair enough, sir. Just for everyone who's watching on Facebook right now, if you have any questions for sir, please do put them in. We'll of course try taking them to the great Shabir Ali. Sir, काफी लोग देख रहे हैं. एक आपके लिए comment आया from Mr. Zafar Ali Khan, senior sports commentator. He's saying Shabir Ali, the headmaster, great player, great administrator too. Shabir and Moidul combination formed the team for Mohammedan Sporting Club. Sir, great headmaster क्यों? कि मतलब आप छड़ी के साथ?
हेडमास्टर उसका नहीं है, ये चले गए ना, अभी तुम भी मेरे लाइन में आ रहे हैं शायद. So I was good in heading.
हाँ जी.
But surprising, most of them they remember. In the last week I was giving interview to Kalpana channel and all. So most of them, they are asking the headmaster, flying machine, something like that. And most of the goal I scored with head, no doubt. Even with the leg also, I scored many goals. And my plus point was not only the headmaster, I was very quick in the area, because in football, fraction second is very important. Even most of the time I was at the correct place, and I never used to be scared of anything. So that is my plus point.
सर क्योंकि हेडिंग की बात कर रहे हैं,
most of the time in the right place
at the right time. So वो भी एक स्किल है कि गेम को 2 सेकंड 3 सेकंड पहले पढ़ना और फिर जाना अंदर.
very important.
सर पर क्योंकि हेडिंग की यहाँ पे बात कर रहे हैं एंड यू आर नॉट द टॉलेस्ट पर्सन, सो ऑल द मोर कि यू नो आपको किन चीजों पे काम करना पड़ा? लीप पे काम करना पड़ा, टाइमिंग पे, हाथ ऊपर हर बारी आते थे क्योंकि आपको पता है कि जो दूसरा बंदा है वो शायद मेरे से ज्यादा लंबा है?
Good point. See, little natural or whatever, I don't know. Little I practice, I did. Timing is very important. And you have to jump. Last, I explained, it is easy for me. Because in the last interview, I said we have to take the support. One is to block the opponent, second is to landing also. And main thing, you have to take risk. Another one, you have to jump whether you get it or not.
Yeah.
Because if you don't get, at least you don't allow a defender to clear the ball properly. There are so many things that happen. And some of the goalkeepers, I used to get very good service, especially I have to mention about my friend who is number Pandya Kakade, who was the goalkeeper of India as well as Tata. What shot he used to give. Only I have to move one step only, not more than that. Just flick. Plus good process I get from the wingers also.
क्योंकि सर हेडिंग की बात हो रही है, जफर साहब ने एक और यहाँ पे सवाल भेजा आपके लिए. What was the chemistry with Surjit Sengupta? Crosses from the right and you were always there. I think sir इन चीजों में बोलने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती ना, आप समझ जाता है आदमी, टेलीपैथी होती है.
That is what I said, no, right place, right time. When you remind me about Surjit, really he scored most of the goals. And in one goal, what happened? I dribbled quickly, maybe by mistake, I don't know, because basically I was a one-touch player. In the English paper also mentioned, just for a change, Shabir did the spade work and Surjit scored the goal. And I remember one goal, so many times I told, against Bahrain national team in 79, India team. 2 days before, we lost by 3-0, and after 2 days again we beat them. With one Surjit cross, I headed the ball. It was my bad luck. TV was not there, photographer was not there and all. बाद में सुरजीत पूछा, शफीक कैसा जंप किया रे तू उतना? मैंने मालूम नहीं भाई कैसा जंप किया. Really, it was a spectacular. There are so many other goals also, but with Surjit I had a good combination. Even in the Indian team, late Yaqub and Latif was giving good process, and most of the time with Marto and Martin in Tatas and all, they were also a good crosser. So with their support, I able to score, and I used to take the risk and used to jump little higher. So, apart from jumping and other things, landing and other things, you have to keep in the correct place, as well as you have to see about your force, how much force you have to apply.
So in that respect, what do you make of Sunil Chhetri's common ball, जो वो common ball को छीनता है for his height, जो आजकल देखने को मिल रहा है कि even though काफी छोटा है height में, common ball, heading सब काफी जीतता है वो बड़े खिलाड़ियों से.
That is what I said. No, timing and other thing is very important, and you have to try. You have to take risk. If you don't go, अरे मैं छोटा हूँ, मैं jump नहीं कर सकूँगा, मैं नहीं ले सकूँगा. And another thing, he is also at the right time, at the right place, and he is trying for the ball. That is the beauty of a striker. Out of nothing, you have to do something.
Yeah. So for someone who scored 30 international goals, now that's a lot at the international level, especially from a country जो अब हमारा ज़माना चल रहा है, तो हम तो कह रहे हैं कि हमारे पास गोल स्कोरर है ही नहीं. एक सुनील छेत्री है और उसके बाद हमें कोई गोल स्कोरर दिख नहीं रहा. So जब आप इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे खेलते हो, क्या है, व्हाट इज द ट्रिक? कि कभी-कभी ये होता है कि यार मैं बड़े टीम के खिलाफ खेल रहा हूँ, टेक्निकली सुपीरियर टीम के खिलाफ खेल रहा हूँ, फिजिकल टीम के खिलाफ खेल रहा हूँ, तो वो खौफ अंदर नहीं बैठने देना है, क्योंकि अक्सर लोग थोड़ा पीछे हो जाते हैं उस हिसाब से।
वो थोड़ा बहुत होता था, ज्यादा नहीं. That we cross in India also, because I was in the smaller team as well as I am the stronger side also, not that too stronger also. And we get used to by playing with the clubs like Tata's. We played almost all the top clubs in India, even with Mohammedan also. So little fear was there, and one problem with me, thank God I scored so many goals and all. We used to practice 4-4-2, but as soon as we went abroad, we used to play because of the stronger opposition 4-3-3. I was the lone striker. Mir most of the time used to come behind us. So in that we managed. I got some crosses. I have taken the risks, and I scored some good goals also from top of the box. The player should not get scared. Of course, I used to give respect to the opponent, but I was not scared also. Even if I come to my this Asian Youth, nobody thought we'll do so well, and I scored 5 goals in that tournament. Iran was 100% too good team, and from the beginning they were telling the champion, but we drew with them. Even Thailand, home team, home state, home country, we beat them 2-1.
So if I could bring back to your coaching and come back to that season of Mohammedan, तो एक तो होता है कि टैक्टिक्स आपने बनाए और टैक्टिक्स फील्ड पे चल रहा है, पर दूसरे साइड पे ये होता है कि जब आपको पता है कि आप जीत रहे हो, हाउ एज अ कोच डू यू मैनेज द एक्सपेक्टेशंस, क्योंकि कभी कभी फिर खिलाड़ी के दिमाग में भी तो आया था हम तो जीतने वाले हैं, और फिर आदमी वहां पे थोड़ा ढीला होता है फिर सीजन के एंड में.
We were in not that position with that team, but step by step, we were by His grace, we were winning. So my this thing all, I never used to press players in front of everyone. I have to criticize, I criticize them. And if you go on winning also, I used to tell, why this is nothing, okay, this has become a history. Now we have to start from the beginning. This was my thing. Even wherever I go, the same thing. And because of that, most of the players, they got me wrong. They said, "Arey sir, unnecessary criticize kar." If we play, I go separately and say, okay, you played well, you have to continue. But very rarely in front of or in the class also. But in the class, I used to criticize, but this was wrong. I expect much more from them. And by winning, as you say, in Mohammedan also, I said, by this is nothing, we have to, because we won Nagji. Of course, we beat under 23 India big team. And in Kalinga, we beat Mohun Bagan, even Bardola, we beat East Bengal, what I told, Annappa become a man of the match. So I used to tell them, just keep your feet on the ground. This is not the end. You have to reach to some more heights also. This is not sufficient.
So then if we talk about that Salgaonkar season, their first NFL crown coming, now from Mohammedan, and with all due respect to जो Mohammedan है and जो उनका क्लब है, suddenly आप एक corporate team में आ रहे हो, जहाँ पे सेटअप पूरा डिफरेंट है, तो आप इसको मैनेज कैसे करते थे सर?
See, in between there are so many things, as you say, वो पैर में छाला आया नहीं इधर उधर जाके. And Mohammedan didn't keep me. I joined a small club Rajasthan for the league. Then with my performance, I joined Fearless. To me, that was the best performance. We came into first division. We were not in the Super League. We came to the Super League, and because of that, my performance, India team gave me this thing, technical director, coach, whatever you can say. I used to work all the things. And Fearless, I am happy because I established all over India. Goa we went to play, Delhi we went to play 2 tournaments and all. Salgaonkar, of course, it was new, corporate, but they are as a corporate side, but they are football lover, they are not other corporate side. Outside Goa, not in Goa. Most of the corporate side in Goa, they are good. But it was a new for me all of a sudden. In December, I joined it. But what I have done, really I am happy. I just, what I want the serious thing. I told you, just give your best, forget about the result. I am there to take the responsibility. Even for the management also, I said, I can't promise I will come to this position, I will go to that position, but I will try my level best. So it was a good also, you can say, because the setup was good. Detail secretary was there, PO manager, plus some good players were, senior players were also there, plus some upcoming players and all. And what I have done, what Salgaonkar gave me, really is a big achievement for me. I changed the whole thing over there, I can say. Of course, they were doing, but we established as a strong force in India. We won NFL as well as we won all the tournaments, and we won the league also. And credit to management as well as to all the players and all.
सर बट मैं तो ये कह रहा हूँ कल्चरली ऑल्सो कि सडनली आपको कलकत्ते की आदत है और आप गोवा में आ गए हो, वो भी वास्को में, जहाँ पे ज्यादा कुछ है नहीं करने के लिए. आप मैनेज कैसे करते थे इसको?
नहीं, मैं अग्री नहीं होता हूँ करने के लिए कुछ नहीं है बोल के, इसलिए उनके दिया सेटअप वाज ओके एंड दे आर आल्सो फुटबॉल लविंग, दे प्ले फुटबॉल आल्सो बिकॉज सलगांवकर का टारगेट था. बिफोर दैट दे वन द फेडरेशन इन कलकत्ता आल्सो. Maybe little setup is different because Mohammedan setup or Calcutta setup is entirely different than the Calcutta setup, Goa setup. So little easy for me also, good management. So I changed the players because their attitude, no doubt, football loving, serious, good boy, everything. But they were not serious like how Calcutta players were.
Serious as in to win. Serious to win.
Serious to win also, plus other thing before the match. What my coaches taught me, what my coaches used to do before the match. For one example, you know very well, one day before the match, we used to stay in Margaon and go for the practice, have food and all. On the day of the match, after lunch, they used to go and purchase something and they were just talking in the bus. It's not that military rule for me all the time. You have to be serious like this. But at least little concentration. You talk, but not hasi mazak and other things. Same little thing was going on. They were little serious, no doubt serious, but the approach was little different. What I learned from our Indian coaches in India team as well as in club. So I used to tell them, I changed. So I got the result also. Say, bhai, this is our bread and butter. Of course, you talk, you laugh afterwards. Not now. At least some concentrate for the match. So because of that, I got the result. I changed so many things and really happy. No doubt, Goan football, they were good before also because of the touch and other things. So many good coaches came before. Mr. Ratnam came, Mr. Shanmugam came, Basha Bhai came. But what I gave to Salgaonkar, I am really happy, and what I changed little bit there.
So उस season के बारे में अगर बात करें, what worked for you guys in that season, particularly अगर आप सोच सकते हैं?
See, we were doing okay when I joined. Another thing, I'll come to your point. See, the setup in Goa was little different in case if we lose the match and other things. You know, Kolkata, Bombay, what I have seen, if we lose, the official came and bombarded. I took the team in December, middle of the December. We played on 21st after 12 days in Bombay. First match draw with Mahindra. Second match with Air India after 2 days. What game we played, we would have won by 5-6 goals. But in the end, we conceded a goal, we lost. I was thinking, array, official they will just bombard. I was surprised when Mr. Shivanand Salgaonkar came in the dressing room, the way he praised us, that we got confidence. I got confidence. There was no to mind, you played well and all, it was bad. Because this thing I have not seen in Tata's when I was playing, and this thing I have not seen in Calcutta also. And after a few days, we went to Kochi, as I told just now. We beat Kochi, and with that formation, only 3-5-2. In Salgaonkar, of course, step by step, I tried to take the players separately and tell what is your strong point, weak point, and all. But all are not same. And some of them I criticized in the class. Afterwards, I came to know they have taken in the wrong way. So I don't want to say my other.
But this is part and parcel of the game, ना कि ये तो चलना ही है.
100%. चढ़ाव उतार तो रहता है. You have to praise, you have to give bad words also sometimes, and at the same time you have to be friendly. In my case, one of my senior, little attached to football, not with the team and all, he said you have to keep away from the players.
Okay.
I told him, well, these 5 fingers are not same. My way of is different. I am serious on the ground. I said I am very friendly. and I know what is their weak point, what is the strong point, and what is their secret and other things and all. Even if you go outside the jug, I have seen coaches like Hussain Saab, Makbul Saab, ground too serious afterwards, come by come, we'll play cards, come, this thing, that thing, and all, talking and all. I also used to do the same thing. Okay. Now, most of them, I'm happy they realize afterwards, but that time
हाँ.
they were just
So
taking me in the wrong side.
मैं लास्ट जो पहला एपिसोड था जो आपने भी देखा था अरमांडो सर के साथ, Armando Colasso, so he was also stressing on this, that man managing is such an important aspect of top level coaching when you're coaching the highest level. तो आपका आपका अप्रोच बंदे को देख के बनता था कि आपका अपना एक अप्रोच होता था और फिर हिसाब से आप लोगों को मिलते थे?
मेरा ही रहता था, first of all serious, we have to give best and discipline and other things, and I proved in Salgaonkar in the beginning of my career in Salgaonkar only. But that, of course, sometimes, senior players are there, they do nakra. Even I manage my friend also in Salgaonkar, Derek. He played with me in Indian team. He was there for 1 year. So you have to just adjust and you have to give, little relaxation to the senior, not too much. Because if you give same load to the youngster as well as to the seniors, then they will get injured and other things also. And in the practice, you have to be serious. Discipline you have to maintain. But this, you have to adjust it. But if you give too much preference and other things like to the foreigners and this thing, then the other players will take it back. So little bit you have to adjust and do according to the situation. And in the ground, I am serious. Outside, I am just friendly.
Sir, a comment I have from someone you know really well, Mr. Naushad Musa. He's saying, Salam sir, great to see you. Was fortunate to have you as my coach in Mahindra United and had a great season. Was very demanding when it comes to giving the best every time. Learned so much from you, which helps me now as a coach. Great man manager. Sir, एक और आपके लिए एक सवाल है. This one is from Rashmi Ranjan Samantare. He's saying, Dada, will you please put in your views on the NIS coaching course and the present ABC, etc. level course? Which one is good in comparison?
I didn't get through in A license. He was with me in NIS.
Hanji.
See, in NIS, for Naushad, thank you. I'm happy what he said. And I met him 2-3 months back in Hyderabad when he come with the Bangalore team. They beat Hyderabad. And I asked him how you are feeling now as a coach. And about Reshmi, really, in NIS also, in my last interview also, I said, especially the international as well as Calcutta players, they used to tell nothing in sports, NIS, National Institute of Sports. But what I learned really is too much. It's lengthy, but there are too many things to learn. It is equivalent to me a license only, or maybe little more. You have to do all the things, including kinesiology, sports training, sports medicine, psychology, and other things also. So NIS is a very good subject, and I learn a lot also. And we used to do all the things, even to clean the ground also. And after that, with my team also, I did the same thing. Once we were going to Delhi from Calcutta, some seats were not there. So I gave the seats to the player first, then I have taken the bus. They were all surprised. Even from Bombay, when we were going in the Tufan Express, Vijayan was also with us. So we just managed. So you have to set an example also. Whatever you do, if you do, then the players will do. And as comparison and other thing, of course, NIS is just like a little more than the A license also. But there are a lot of things, especially they concentrate more on the basics. And I really enjoy this NIS for 10 months. It's just too lengthy. Yeah.
But so would I be right in saying that you believe to gain practical knowledge, it is very important that you gain bookish knowledge as well? Or then दोनों का मिलाप होगा, तब of course आपकी, you become much better.
See, there are small points also in coaching. Most of the young coaches I see, players are facing the sun and they are against the sun. This is a small thing which I learned in NIS. Of course, I saw my coaches also. So you have to face the sun. If the players are facing the sun, what you are telling, they will not concentrate.
Yeah.
And other discipline and other things and all, that is more important. So this is small thing. And if you learn, then you will come to know. What I got knowledge from my coaches, Hussain Saab, so many coaches, they were for the short time, even in India team, Pradeep Da, Basha Bhai, others and all, Siddish Milaman. But in what their mind we doesn't know. Of course, they practice this thing. Light practice before the match and some hard practice during the week and all. But there you will get the full knowledge when you do the course, ABC license or NIS, whatever. Coaching license to me is very important, and there is no end of learning also.
And so how much importance do you stress on communication? तो चाहे मेरे को सब कुछ पता है कि मुझे पता है कोचिंग में आज ये टैक्टिक करना वो करना, पर अगर मैं आपको अपने बोल से बता नहीं पा रहा तो काम तो खत्म, वहाँ पे रस्सी तो वहीं की वहीं कट गई.
Yes, communication is important, but at the same time, practical is more important. Because when I was in Indian team, one Sihanouk came, Akramo boss. He came for 1 month in Calcutta. So some of the reporters, they were telling, he doesn't know English, how he communicate and all. So he showed some exercises, he showed some demonstration. So they were all surprised. The communication as well as demonstration is very important also. You have to be clear in your views also. Another thing what I have seen, it is not criticized in my opinion, because some of the coaches, they go on talking and all. There is no use for talking and all. Once it happened also, one player was doing warm-up in Calcutta and Naseem was standing, that player name is Mustafi. So I was told him, what is the use of running 4 rounds slowly? You do one thing. You run little fast, little slow, little fast, at least you will gain something. Afterwards, he came and asked, sir, kaisa karna? I told these players are like that only. They just put one question to the coach and coach go on talking. Then afterwards, they say, Arey, kaisa diwana banaya dekho. And then I started laughing. In my habit, I never used to talk much. But whatever I wanted, I try to explain and I try to give some time demonstration. If I can't do, with some players, okay, but you have to do this thing. And of course, communication is very important. Another thing, what Akrama told, Shabir, I doesn't know language, otherwise I would have shown these players. Because of communication, it was handicap. Same thing was to Sirish Milaman also, one of the best coaches who came to India.
So then, what was your routine then on say a match day? दोपहर को 3:30 बजे आई थिंक मैच होते थे, 3:30-4 बजे. तो आपका रूटीन क्या था दिन का? एंड व्हाट वाज द काइंड ऑफ स्ट्रेस यू यूज्ड टू गिव ऑन टीम टॉक? कितने टीम टॉक होते थे बिफोर मैच एंड ऑफ कोर्स ड्यूरिंग द मैच एंड आफ्टर जो खत्म हो गया?
See, this depends upon the team. There is no team talk in like Fearless and just before the match only. Whereas in Salgaonkar, after breakfast, we have to team talk. And with Mohammedan, Fearless and other things, even in Mahindra also, just before the match only, because we were not staying together a day before the match like Salgaonkar. So it varies from team to team. And in Salgaonkar, after breakfast, team talk, then lunch, go for the match. The same was the case with most of the time in India team also, the coaches used to do this thing. Whereas in Calcutta, I coach Rajasthan, Fearless, Port Trust, Mohammedan, even Mahindra also, just before the match only. And my routine during my playing days, okay, sometime I used to go to office also, but in Calcutta mostly it came in the paper also 1-2 hours before the sleep, before the match, have food, then go and play. So it depends upon player, but the team wise, class is must of course before. With the state team and other team also, after lunch or mostly before lunch class or after breakfast.
और सर अगर फर्स्ट हाफ में सपोज कुछ नहीं चल रहा टीम के लिए, तो हाफ टाइम में आप क्लास लगा रहे हो कि आप आराम से बैठ के बात कर रहे हो? How does it work? How do you handle emotions in those 15 minutes?
It's very, very important. First 5 minutes, you must allow to players to cool down. Then according to the situation, what is going wrong and all. These also vary from coaches and coaches also. If suppose the good team is there, they are losing and the players are not playing. Some team you have to be little angry or like that. Not too much burst and all. But in the end, of course, what the NIS they taught me first, we have to press. Then you tell the weak point and what they are not doing and all. But this, what you said in the 15, that 15 minutes is very vital for the coach.
Yeah.
It should not be just talking, this thing, that thing, and all. So allow them just 5 minutes what I was doing, then bring them together and tell what is their strong point, what is our strong point, and what wrong is going with the team and all. And of course, some instruction to the players, those who are not doing well.
सर फ्रांसा पैक्स की अगर बात करूं, वही मैं कह रहा हूँ, आप सब सडनली सलगांवकर कि यहाँ पे सब सेट है कि आदमी आराम से इत्मीनान से काम कर रहा है.
You come to the point. Okay.
या सडनली फ्रांसा पैक्स पे आप आए, और फ्रांसा पैक्स में क्योंकि आपको पता है फील्ड के बाहर सिचुएशन बहुत डाइसी है, तो और वहां पे वो मैनेजमेंट भी आपको आई थिंक कहीं ना कहीं घुस रहा है. So then what was França Pax like, sir? Because वो कुछ सालों के लिए आए फिर नहीं रहे.
नहीं, अच्छा ही किया, 2-3 साल किया वहाँ, 2 इनिंग वहाँ भी किया सलगांवकर के जैसा. But I am used to what I told that if you lose match, official come in the dressing room and all. In Bombay also happened, in Calcutta during my playing time. Another thing I will add here, because first match in Calcutta, all supporters came to see my game only. Before that, they were out of the league. I never forget in my life, jam-packed. Before that, East Bengal supporters were not coming. They lost many points and all. But second match, we lost. The same supporter told Shabir, go back to Bombay. So I knew that this thing was also happening. And when I joined França, they were fourth in the league. They were 0 point after 4 match. And we become third. So we have to manage. There were so many hurdles and other things. It's no use going into this. But I was doing my work. I was with the player. I was just encouraging them and all. But they were at the beginning, they were happy also because they were getting results. Of course, some problem came afterwards. It's always the case everywhere also. If the result is bad, the axe will come on the coach head on.
Yeah.
So I just managed because I'm used to in Calcutta and Bombay and all. So this thing happened in most of the team also. Even in Bombay also, I faced this problem in my Mahindra also. So the coach, he has to manage. He has to just adjust and all. One thing, they were telling something and all if the result is bad and all, but they never used to interference and all that. And if it is going against me and all, so I just tell them, no, this is wrong and all. So it happened. Even in França practice, I was joking with the players and all. They were too tired. One of the players, Brazilian from Calcutta, he was in Goa. He told to boss. Then boss was asking. I said, you can't, you're not military or something taking a lathi telling the just while bhago, bhago. So they have finished their work. Afterwards, little enjoyment. It is not wrong. What I want, they are giving me. So then he just kept quiet. So this was the problem with most of the clubs. So I just managed. We qualified, and in the local league also we performed okay.
क्योंकि आपने वो बात बोली है, for a successful team, how important is it that जो ड्रेसिंग रूम है, एंड ड्रेसिंग रूम का मतलब ऑफिशियल्स नहीं है सर, ड्रेसिंग रूम है जो फील्ड पे आपके साथ पसीना बहा रहे, ड्रेसिंग रूम में आ रहे. हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट इज इट दैट यूनिट स्टेज टुगेदर, कि जो अंदर हो रहा है वो हम बाहर किसी को नहीं बताने वाले, क्योंकि वो हमारे आपसी घर का हो रहा है और वो हमारा प्रॉब्लम है.
You are 100% right. That was my first and foremost thing. उधर का बाद उधर ही खत्म. That I got from Salgaonkar, and because of that I got the result. And in the dressing room also, initially in Salgaonkar, little talk was there. So I told them, no, Baba, serious. This is one thing. Because what football is, our bread and butter, everything and all. That time you have to be serious, not hasi mazak, not outside. Plenty of time to talk. Even I told to the management also, because entirely it was a different thing in the dressing room in South Africa. And everywhere I tell this thing also. This is the very important. You have to be serious and you have to perform. And this problem more in Calcutta because this news go outside. This is not good also. And because of that,
हमारे जैसे रिपोर्टर घुसे रहते हैं
नहीं तुम्हारे जैसे नहीं माने है कुछ ऐसे they want this thing, no? A small thing they want also just to make a big thing also. It came about in Salgaonkar also some issue and all. In the end, it is ended. Then they come to know it was not my mistake at all. So it happened. You have to adjust. But main thing, तो घर की बात घर में ही रखना है. But you have to keep it there only. No use telling and all. And outside doesn't know what talk, what practice and going and all. Just they give suggestion only. When the fan base is there, definitely they give this type of opinion and all. But yes, you have to keep inside only. Then only you will achieve something.
सर क्योंकि जो हमारा ये चैट है एंड ऑफ कोर्स AIFC मींस देयर सो मेनी कोचेस हु आर पार्ट ऑफ इट एंड एज अ कंट्री वी नीड मोर एंड मोर कोचेस तो एंड क्योंकि यू बीन देयर डन दैट if you had to give advice to a young coach who's starting out, what would that advice be, sir?
See, you have to perform and of course set some targets. But you will not get that target first. But main thing what I have seen, you go by the books, but you can't go all the time with the books. If you don't go with a rigid plan to the ground, because sometimes players are tired, sometimes they are not in their mood because of lot of things. And professional is entirely different than the amateurs, because वो लोग को घर में काम करना पड़ता है, not sufficient food and other things and all. So according to the situation, you have to do it. Not that today I have to do this thing, tomorrow I have to do that thing and all. And sometimes you have to like plan 1, plan B, plan C, whatever it is. But you have to change. But main thing, discipline, rules, and that you have to be serious. And if you are with the mobile talking to others, practice is going and all, then nobody will give respect. And if others, they talk to somebody, you won't be able to tell. Whoever it may be, if the boss phone was in my all along life, I used to keep when the mobile came in the bag only, I never used to take to the ground. Of course, in case of emergency, you always put on silent or thing. These are the things you have to set an example. जो अपन पहले करेंगे, then the players will do. If you are not doing, then how can the players will do? And you have to take best of them. Sometimes with firing, sometimes with praising, sometimes with encouraging. What it depends which age group you are doing, on which team you are doing, and what is the time. Suppose the match is there after 1 day, 2 day, and other things and all. The main thing, you try to teach them in a proper way. And of course demanding, but see that whether they are doing or not.
So but you also how important is it that a coach continues to evolve? And evolve का मतलब कि आप नए जो तरीके इस्तेमाल हो रहे हैं वो पढ़ें, you update yourself with that, what European teams are doing, at least try keeping an eye on that, कि मतलब आप एक चीज पे ना बैठे रहें and continuously चाहे आप जितना भी जीते हो, you have to continuously evolve.
I think sometime back I told there is no end of learning. You have to, if it is good, you take it, but see how you implement. If they do that move, if they do doing this thing, when our condition is not that good, we are not capable of doing.
Yeah.
So it's no use also. And you have to see the strength of the team, whether they are going to do it or not. That is more important. And what I am seeing nowadays, of course, the football is little bit improving. What I have seen, 2 I-League matches, ISL matches, and 2 second division matches. And we have to learn. If the good thing is there, you take it, try to implement. If you can implement, well and good. If you not, just alter little bit here and there. And main thing is, you know, the standard of what India team is giving practice, you can't give to this youth boys. A youth boys, or you can say professional or the amateur team.
Sir, also where do you stand on this debate? कि क्योंकि आप एक बहुत successful player रहे हैं, you've been the captain of the country, and then you've gone on to coach the country and you've coached some of the best teams in the country. Where do you stand on this debate कि अच्छा coach एक अच्छा player अच्छा coach बनता है, जो player नहीं है वो शायद उतना अच्छा coach नहीं बनता. आपकी क्या राय है इसमें?
No, I don't agree with that. Some of the good coaches, their football background is not that good. If they learn, if you done the coaching diploma, coaching license and all, so there is no harm. But the advantage is those who played, they know in and out what problem they are facing, their situation and other things. They can recollect their period when they were playing. So that was not with the good coaches who didn't play at the higher level. But he can also become the coach also. But the advantage for those who played and all, because they know minus and plus of what is going on before the match, after the match, performance and all other things.
So, any young coaches who have impressed you in these past few years, who you'd like to talk about, whose teams you've seen?
Yeah, so many has done well. Like, of course, he's a senior, not that the junior also, Derek Ferreira. I'm really happy what he has done. And once we were going together when I was in France and he was in Moscow, he said, Shabir, I learned a lot from you. Khaled Jamil is there. Sanjay has done well. Even Singto of Lajong before he was in. Even some not that established coach also they can do well. Who was my assistant? I brought him into coaching like Vishwajit Bhattacharya.
Yeah, he was very successful. He was successful in Calcutta, sir.
Yeah, he coached all the big teams and all. They won the league also.
Hanji, Hanji.
And some other coaches also they are doing well.
And so, from your time, have you seen the game evolve tactically? The Indian coach and the teams, the way they are playing, has it evolved for you?
According to the situation, it will change. As just now I said, what is standard I have seen. Naushad was the coach of Bangalore and Hyderabad team. Second division matches I saw with Mohammedan, I saw with Franca, I saw with Bharti Sankar and all. So football is changed. A little fast, little demanding. It was not that. Even in the ISL, whatever the Indian players are playing, I like the Indian. I was telling, of course, our player can join the team also. For example, Hyderabad player. But for second division also, they have to fight for their place. Because the problem with here is no competition, not much competition at all, and the good teams are not there. That is the main problem. But of course, football improved and changing are there.
आपके लिए एक सवाल आया है Facebook पे. This one has come from Shantanu Ghosh. He is saying, sir, most memorable match as a player and as well as a coach.
See, there are many up and down. अच्छे भी हैं, बुरे भी हैं. As I told, Bahrain goal and all. Then the memorable, of course, in Indian team, Iran. That was the last trophy came to India. It was 2-2. Nobody thought we will win this game. And the memorable goal and the match, we beat Mohun Bagan in 84 by my goal in Calcutta. That was the first goal Mohun Bagan conceded. My family was there in the ground, jam-packed Eden Garden. And it was a second-minute goal from top of the box. And before that, with Jamshid goal, we beat Mohun Bagan in the final. As a coach also, that beating Mohun Bagan in Bengal, winning the trophy was something special. And when I was in Falgaonkar, like derby with Churchill, it was there that time because Dempo was not that much in picture, I think. I'm not sure. And in Mahindra, as a coach, when we beat Air India in Bombay.
So, you were also been technical director of the national team. तो उसमें for someone जिन्होंने coaching में इतना कुछ हासिल किया है, for someone who's been so successful as a player, was it difficult to stay back and letting कि मैं नहीं घुसूंगा, चाहे मुझे दिख रहा है कुछ हो रहा है, पर मैं उसमें अपना नहीं करूंगा क्योंकि वो किसी और कोच का काम है. How did you manage that, sir?
See, let me clear. Now the technical director is different than the tactical director. Before, I used to work as an assistant coach or manager. And when 2, 3 coaches were there, so they used to make, okay, one technical director, one coach, and the one chief coach. That was the case in our time. Most of the time, even this topic has come up many times, how he's become technical director, why he's become, when I become the technical director. Before me, in most of the Indian tours, Derek D'Souza was the technical director, Arun Ghosh, I think, in one of the tours, something like that. So they just came. I was 2 years with the Indian team. Most of the current players, they must be knowing and all. Baichung first year, Vijayan was there, even Bruno, Savio and others. So they knows very well what I have worked. For me, as a coach with the team, same. With the TD also, I am the same. You have to be assistant. You have to be manager. Even 2, 3 tours, I was the manager. In Belarus, I was the manager. In Belarus, one incident happened. I will just come back. Even I have taken team to Pakistan. Sulsaf came afterwards. I have taken team to Bangladesh. For me, from the beginning, I am everything. I learn from my coaches. We are workers. We have to do for football. So I did all the thing also. Even when we were coming from Belarus, Akramo has gone to his house, Uzbekistan. I was with the team. We had limited money in Moscow airport. And 18 hours we have to stay. I have taken Shamshi and Shamim, gone to city and brought Indian food. I told Baichung, Ancheri and physio was there, just look after the team. The player was so happy. Afterwards, Akramo was fighting in the next two. Why you went to city if something goes wrong to you? For players, I can do anything. So we just asked here, there and all, went to Indian restaurant and brought food for the player. Even from Sri Lanka, I released the ticket all. So that time the technical director is entirely different than the now. I was doing for football only, it is not that much coaching. And most of the time I was the assistant coach also.
So, and finally, what are you up to nowadays with all the people who are watching right now? Because the football का कीड़ा तो है, अब आपने तो छोड़ना तो है नहीं. तो आप अभी क्या हो रहा है सर आजकल and what are the plans?
See, when I was in Calcutta, in Bombay, or wherever I was attached with Abbas Union. And the president, some of our players, they are running the team, they are in the first division. And this team is running since long, on and off I go to the ground. Apart from that, you didn't see or didn't know, I think I was the coach of Telangana state team since last 3 years. Of course, this is for the short time only. When I took the team that time, everybody was surprised. Even one Bengali reporter who is based in Bangalore, अरे आप इतनी बड़ी टीम की कोच थे अब ये टीम के साथ आते. I said to me, India is first, second is state. So I am happy that Falguna, who was the ex-player junior to me, the secretary, he just told me to take the state team, and Mr. Rafat, president, was there. They have given me this chance. So in last 3 years I am the coach, and on and off I take the team for the small tournament also Hyderabad. So what I am today, because of football, I am giving it football. Maybe we'll start one academy also. This I am thinking since long. I don't know when that is going to happen. But now since local league will be their age group team, lot of boys have come to the ground from where I started. Some of the one junior Akbar is there. He is handling Alamdar is there. So I am there with football all the time only. With the state team, at least I was. No, many people knows me outside Hyderabad. Now they started knowing me more because of football. Second year our performance was good. We beat Services and we drew with Kerala. Bad luck, we didn't qualify for the final round because we drew with Pondicherry. After a long time, year before, in Naveli, Tamil Nadu, we came unbeaten.
नहीं आपको वही एक आखिरी सवाल इसी में पूछना है. For someone who's scored 30 international goals, for someone who's coached players like Bhaichung Bhutia, then to suddenly coach a Telangana team, आपको expectation level क्या आप पहले से बोलते हो कि मैं expectation level थोड़ा कम करूंगा क्योंकि शायद यहाँ पे वो technical skill वो वही देखने को मिलेगा जो मैंने पहले देखा है.
100%, it is my life only. जो अभी I am again repeating what you say, पैर में छाला आया नहीं आया. For me, big team, small team कुछ नहीं है. Mohammedan Champion Club of India हुआ, Mohammedan का नाम अलग था. After that, I coached Rajasthan. They were in the first division.
Hmm.
Even after winning the Santosh Trophy, which you forget to ask, that was also a very good achievement. I am very
बंगाल के साथ सर.
Bengal के साथ 2010, 2013. Because of that only, because of my fast performance, I got a Dhyanchan Award. So I coached a very small team, Rajasthan. Even after Mahindra, I coached Bharti Sangh. So you have to adjust. You can't get all the time, I want this one only, I want good ground, I want this food, that food and all. I want this much balls and all. Of course, I change little bit everywhere, wherever I go. Even in the Telangana also, they listen to me. They are giving little facilities, not that much like a professional team, but of course, even with a small team also. So I am used to, I have to adjust. This you have to do according to the situation. That's why I told about the upcoming coaches also. According to the situation, you have to do. You did not have to be rigid. अरे यही होना मेरे को, वो होना मेरे को. You have to adjust. You have to take best out of that.
Sir, Syed Arif का एक question आया है. Sir, please share some of your best moments of the Santosh Trophy with Telangana.
That is what I just now say. He was also there with me, goalkeeper coach. We beat Services. It was a very big thing because before that, a year before that, they were the champion. Even manager and coaches, they were all surprised when we drew with Kerala. And the previous year, they were the champion. So really, team played well, bad luck. And first time in the history, we came back unbeaten. Because the problem in football, we don't have corporate team, we don't have good teams. League is there since last 2014. But unless you get the competition, you can't perform well. In between, same thing was there when none of the team were there in the South India from Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala. No team were there in the I-League also. Then now little football change, they came into picture. Same is the case with Hyderabad also, because now HFC come, Hyderabad Football Club in the ISL. I am sure football will improve. They are concentrating more on the age group. Another team is doing well, who is the chairman of TFA, Mr. Mahi, Srinidhi Football Academy. They have got the ground, they have got the facilities and all. They brought foreign coach and all. So I am sure in football, in future, football will improve. Because you need a target. You have to see the, अरे वो player अच्छा खेल रहा है, उसके जैसा मैं बनूंगा. I will get. Now the problem is, I request government also, they must help out players, because those who are representing in our time, when you represent the state, you will get the job. But there is hardly any the government service. And here, no I-League team, no second division team. One team was there before 2 years, but they Hyderabad, but they disbanded. So now at least they will see Hyderabad Football Club, ISL club is there. We have to play well. We have to play in the second division and all. So target has to be both the players from Hyderabad will come.
सर, आपका मुझे पता नहीं, पर मेरा जो टारगेट था आपसे जो बातचीत करनी थी, वो तो फुलफिल हो गया. वो फुलफिल हो गया सर.
रिपोर्टर का रहता है ना, बस लास्ट और ये वो और कुछ मसाला कलकत्ता रिपोर्टर.
Sir, but I hope you enjoyed the session, and to everyone who's watching, I hope you enjoyed sir's valuable tips and lessons, and of course all that he's acquired and so much experience on the field, off the field. So I hope you enjoyed the session.
You can make out from my face also and the way I'm talking. I think I don't know whether I'm a good talker or not, but I'm managing because
आप तो टीवी प्रो सर, आप तो काफी टाइम से कर रहे हो आप टीवी प्रो, तो that is never been an issue.
Just managing the Bangla English.
But sir, thank you so much, and thank you so much for joining us and giving us time and sharing all these valuable lessons for all the people watching, and for all the people who joined us on Facebook. Thank you so much for your questions and comments for the great Shabir Ali. Just a reminder, we've just down with 2 legends right now. We've of course spoken to Shabir Ali, we've spoken to Armando Colasso. अभी हमारे पास 5 और legends बाकी हैं. आपको फिर से remind कर दूं, every Wednesday and every Saturday at 12 noon on Association of Indian Football Coaches Facebook page, we will be having a long chat with these gems of Indian football. Shabir sir, once again, thank you so much for your time. And thank you for talking.
Thank you, Arjun. I am also happy to share my views and all. And thanks to AIFC for giving me chance to speak. And I'm really happy that you are there, recollecting my old memories, as you say, your first time in Santosh Trophy and all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.
Okay.